Today we're gonna make Cambodian chicken soup or snail saikmon. It's a very simple and easy to make soup. While waiting for the water to boil in the pot, gather and prepare the ingredients. I like to remove some of the fat around the chicken before I start slicing them into pieces. Here, I'm just smashing and flattening the lemongrass before I twist and tie it into a knot. It helps it from falling apart in the soup. Ta-da! Smash about 5 garlic cloves. By the way, I'm using a meat tenderizer mallet, but you can use the back of your knife. Once the water boils, add dried shrimp, garlic, lemongrass, galangal, and lime leaves. Add your chicken pieces and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Continue to prepare the ingredients. Here, I'm using 2 carrots. Cut them into 1-inch pieces across the width. With this type of soup, you can use different kinds of squash. I like to use chayote. It's high in nutrients, antioxidants, and promote good health overall. I also like to add leafy greens, and here I'm using bok choy. It also contains several health benefits. It's high in calcium, vitamins, and antioxidants. Skim off all the foamy scum at the top. At this point, the lemongrass has done its duty, so just remove and toss it. Bring it to boil again, and then add the carrots and chayote. Stir and cover for another 10 minutes or so. After, add fish sauce, totole chicken mix, sugar, and black pepper. Stir and taste test. Cover and simmer for about 5 more minutes. Add the rest of the vegetables. Bok choy cooks fast, so that should be last to add into the broth. Make your last adjustments while it cooks for another 5 more minutes. And here we are, a warm chicken broth soup, perfect for this cold season. This was one of the soups my mom would make when we were all sick. So I hope you'll make this too if you're feeling under the weather. Thank you. Bye-bye.